Welcome to Drafting and Design Center. In this short tutorial, I will go through how we can use alignment from Polyline. We will see how we can use alignment tools and how we can create alignment from Polyline. I have parcel of the land and all subdivisions as well as planning layout of the roads and plots has been given, as you can see on the screen. I need to create a primary road which is here, and then secondary road which is circulating here. Alignment. To do that, I need to create a center line of primary road and then center line of secondary road. Once I create, then I can use alignment and create alignment from the object and then create an alignment in Solidity. So to do the alignment, first I will need to copy this and I will work in a side by space. So let me copy this. As you can see, I have copied this one, primary road as well as secondary road. The copy point can be the center line of this arc somewhere else. I have to tracking on center. So I will work here in the space, easy for me to work and efficient as well. I have created an alignment layer. I will make sure that I'm just selecting the right snapping option. I will only select midpoint, no center and perpendicular line, and then I will try to create a line here, curve as well, where you feel that there is a curve beginning. I will create a perpendicular line at the midpoint of the curve. We will create a perpendicular line. So when perpendicular is on, you can scroll the mouse and then click it. As you can see, the sign of snap, which is perpendicular, as you can see on our screen, it will snap accurately at that point, perpendicular respect to the point you have selected. So I will then create a polyline from midpoint here to midpoint here. I will also finish this circular arc using this command. Clicking midpoint of each. Again, clicking midpoint for this curve. And then I will create a polyline from here to here to here, from here. As you can see, there is a band in here. I have to make sure is that aligned accurately. As you can see, there is a band here, and then this polyline, if I straight away draw through to intersect to the bit of a curve point here. We'll leave it right now. P line, and then I will select the midpoint, the point in here, extend. Okay, well, the only problem is this is not a midline, so what I will do is I will trim first, and then P line, extend. Similar this side as well. I will go in a tracking. I will intersect off. I will try to open tangent, P line, close down the midpoint as well. Only tangent. So P line. This now it is on a tangent, so then you won't be able to see this kind of zigzag. Okay, sounds okay. What I will do then is I will copy this one, this one, this one, this one, as well as this one. Turn on my all snapping. Put that in here. Trim this portion here. I will then use pedit command. Pedit, define multiple line. Select this line, this line, this polyline, this polyline, this polyline. Enter. Yes. Join. 0 and close. Then enter. By clicking that, you can see that the entire segment is converted in a one polyline, which I'm happy with. I will copy this from section here, put back to the place it was earlier. So I will do this. As you can see now the polyline is created. Similarly, I have to create a polyline here, which is just going to the snap and only selecting midpoint and perpendicular. Now, finding intersecting point. Finding a perpendicular point. Sometimes it's tricky as there is a long curve involved. Well, that sounds okay. I will then use a 3 arc here. We could have 3 points in a midpoint in somewhere else. It's struggling. I'm just exploding this P line which I had created earlier, and then I'm drawing a line perpendicular to the center of this because I had a difficulty of creating this. That may be okay, and sounds okay. And then I'm using these 3 point arc, center line of this one, center line of this one, center line of this one. Again 3 point arc, center line of this one, center line of this one, center line of. Make sure that the line doesn't go outside the boundary. So center line of this one, center line of this one, this one. We'll just turn on the endpoint. Sure that everything is good. So after finishing this one, and if you're happy with the alignment, basically I will then copy this, copy this here, 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 and I will copy from subline of this one. I have to turn on the tracking again, snapping again. This from this, this, and this, and string. Again copy this. I will join this line here, P line, from here, here, P line, from here, here. Ensure that it just touches right point, otherwise it won't join when you're trying to join polyline together to make it on. As you can see, there is a bit of a zinc here. Try not to have this happen, but right now I'm just trying to connect everything together. So P edit multiple, select the object which is this one, this one, this one, and then this here. Yes, join, and the first distance 0, enter, and those, enter, escape. You can see that entire polyline is converted into the one polyline. So now I have this alignment as a primary road 1, this as a primary road 2. I will then put back alignment to its position. This. Delete everything from here. And so copy this alignment, which is these two portions, enter. On this end, I can put that back to here, And as you can see, my nice tidy centerline alignment is there. You can check it out. You can able to check the curve after creating alignment, which I'm going to do shortly. You may need extra precision, which I haven't followed. The objective is just trying to show you how we can start up in a subdivision project. Alignment. This I will call as a primary alignment. I will call this alignment as secondary alignment. So I will go then in alignment, create alignment from object. Object has to be polyline, which we have created. Select the alignment. It will ask you which direction you want to expect. I want my chain edges to be 0 meter and it will be increasing this direction. I will say yes, enter. It will ask you which name. I will put first street. This looks okay. You can put that inside if you like. I will not put inside right now. Start chain is 0 0. Major and minor points. Right now I will just apply no labels. Deselect this one. Design criteria you can add, but you can later on. These all roads are designed by 40 kilometers per hour. You need to have that ASTO, not ASTO, but Ostrode standard. So if you download your pack based on a Australian design standard, you can then have an option of selecting not a Ostrode but Australian standard, and which is Ostrode, and then it will design itself based on this standard. I haven't downloaded roadway design standard, so I cannot able to upload right now, but you can manually check by yourself. So I will not select right now criteria based design. So first street, name it. I'm happy with everything else, say okay. And then as you can see, there is a warning will come up. And you can see that this is your alignment is created. This warning is maybe there is a clink between this circular curve as well as straight alignment, and that's why this could have occurred. Always nice, as you can see that they merges together. There is a bit of a clink here. Always nice to have alignment, this curve created from the tangent points, and then work it out from again here. As you can see here, see there is a bit of a clink here. So when you create polyline, you need to ensure that there shouldn't be any clink. I'm just not demonstrating. You can do practice by yourself and do it by yourself as well. So that's first street, and this I will call second street. So this is alignment I have created for first street, and then you can see here is a design character is already there. We can upload based on a based on a Ostro standard, but even if Ostro standard, you can see here is 40 km per hour. 47 is my minimum radius of curvature it should have. If I go in a geometric editor, I can then click on alignment grid view, and you can see the radius is 104, 105. I'm happy with it. You can also check the criteria based on which country you're working on. It will calculate everything by itself. You can change the radius by clicking this parameter. You can change the radius if you have to. The warning sign will appear big because of the one I described earlier. Right now I'm neglecting this. This is not error, this is warning. So it will give you all setting out parameters, which is length, curve, direction, start and finish, chord, and deflection angle. You can modify the alignment once you create it by this tool as well, which is in here. You can edit everything from here. You can delete the curve if you like from here. Okay, so that's your alignment 1, and I'm creating alignment 2 with the same procedure using create alignment from the object. Select the polyline, enter. It will ask you the direction it is going on. So let me do it again. So alignment from the object, select, enter. It will ask you which direction is going. I'm happy with it. Direction, enter. Second state. Layout, layer, you can change it. Label, there is no label right now. I'm gonna put it. Even though you can put a label of major and minor changes only if you liked it. Design criteria, I have not used any design, but I'm putting just 40 km/h for my record. Okay. This link is appearing as there is a bit of a lag coordination from this point to this point in here, which you need to modify it. There is something. You can drag and drop the alignment here like that. You can drag the alignment as well, as I have shown you. You can delete this alignment which you feel is not appropriate by adding a geometric editor and then delete this one and then create an entity from here to so now it appears that this is not. You can again delete this and then extend maybe this arc up to here. And create a straight between this one and this one. Extend this arc horizontal curve to here as well. And then maybe use tangent to tangent, no, straight from here to here. That sounds okay. And as you can see here, I'll apply region. You can see here there is a bit okay. So that's with alignment and all change, as you can see here, has been appeared. 420, 440, 460 is going this way. So that's 100, 60. So that should start from 0 here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and going in this direction. You can select this one and geometric editor. Select this one and then edit alignment style. You can reverse the direction from here. You can move and copy the side alignment to the side. Add alignment label, add a station label, and then I want major station and minus apply. Okay, as you can see the station appeared here. You can change the direction of the alignment by clicking the alignment, modify, and then reverse. As you can see that the all stations start from 0 here onwards, which was earlier 0 here, going this way. So we have seen that few of the techniques, how we can use layout, some of the AutoCAD techniques in creating a centerline alignment. Especially we looked at the alignment tool and especially how to create alignment from the object and other stationing and adding, removing label, reversing alignment. Please keep watching other future videos. If you have any comments, please let us know. You can refer our website at www.draftinganddesigncenter. I hope this video was useful and informative. Please get in touch with us for other services.